Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today you are going to learn lesson number 8, Madani Qaida lesson number 8, Khadi Harakat. Khada Zabar, Khadi Zer and Ulta Pesh are called Khadi Harakat. Dear viewers, please open the next page. Look at the first line, first word. You can see a sign on top of ta. This sign is khada zabar. Look at the second box. You can see a sign below ta. This sign is khadi zer. You can also say it as khada zer. Khada zer or khadi zer, both are right. Look at the third box. You can see a sign on top of ta. This sign is ulta pesh. And all these signs, khada zabar, khadi zer and ulta pesh, are called khadi harakat. Let's read the next rule. Khadi harakat are the same as the letters of madda. So pronounce the khadi harakat by stretching them up to one alif, that is up to 2 harakat, like the letters of madda. That means you have to pronounce khadi harakat, khada zabar, khadi zer, ulta pesh by stretching up to one alif, as you read the letters of madda by stretching up to one alif. The method of reading and pronouncing the letters of madda and khadi harakat is same. Next rule. In this lesson, differentiate clearly between the letters that are qaribu sawt, that is, the letters that sound somewhat similar. For example, ta with 2 dots and the other ta, mustaliya one, are same in the sound, similar in the sound, not same but similar in the sound. So you have to make the clear difference between ta and to, like you have to pronounce ta with normal voice and ta with thicker voice. In the same way, you have to differentiate clearly between all other qaribu sawt letters, like ha and ha are qaribu sawt, hamza and ain are qaribu sawt, qaf and kaf are qaribu sawt. So you have to make the difference. You have to read clearly all qaribu sawt letters in this lesson. Let's start reading from line 1. Please read line 1 with me, and you have to read rest of the lines by yourself, because all of the lines are same. Just the letters are different, but the method of pronouncing and reading is same. So let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ta khada zabar ta, ta khada zer ti, ta ulta pesh tu, ta ti tu, to khada zabar to khada zer ti, to ulta pesh tu, to ti tu. Next line. Za khada zabar za, za khada zer zi, za ulta pesh zu, za zi zu. Zal khada zabar za, zal khada zer zi, zal ulta pesh zu, za zi zu. I have taught first 2 lines. Now you have to read rest of the lines by yourself, because all of the other lines are the same as line 1 and 2. You have to read by stretching up to 1 alif. Sallu ala al-habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad.